Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are in the month of March and we are coming up on St. Patrick's Day. And so since that's coming up, I felt, like doing something green, feeling a little green today. So I'm going to do this green, glittery, kind of fun, sparkly look for you guys. Today is just basically bling out everything on this face right here, this empty canvas I have. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Benefit POREFessional primer. This is basically to make your foundation very smooth, glides on, and less pores. I mean, hence the name, POREFessional. Slather on this baby all over my face. Like, this stuff is so smooth that I'm not sure where I'm putting it. I feel like I didn't put the product in that certain area. If you guys ever had baby powder and you kind of put it in your hands and just wipe it, it just feels like that, like baby powder on your face. Very, very nice, very smooth. Right here, last night looks like some kind of bug bit me, and so I'm gonna have to cover that up. I'm going to slather on some foundation. So I'm gonna cake on some foundation, cover all that area that needs to be wiped away, disappear. I'm using the Lancome foundation in the color 250 bis W. This is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. It's supposed to last like 24 hours. Hook you up all day, basically. This is a full coverage foundation, so if you want to go a little lighter, you can go with an easy hand. I like to always cake everything on, make sure it's covered up, smooth, no bumps, no pores, no room for any mistakes. Then going in with my NARS Radiant Concealer in the color Custard, I'm going to conceal that bug bite up. Oh my goodness. Hover up, baby. Whew. When I was younger, I read up on a fact somewhere, I'm not sure where, but it says that in 1 year, you eat about a pound of bugs in your sleep and you don't even know it. They're crawling in your nose, in your ears, in your mouth when you have it open, so keep in mind to keep your mouth closed to minimize the bug eating. So if anyone could confirm that, let me know. Moving on to the usual baking my face with the Prairie translucent powder, I'm going to just pack it on. I do this all the time. You guys follow me. I do this every single video, or as much as I can. With a damp beauty blender, just bake your whole face. Alright, so now I'm going to work on my eyebrows. I'm using the 263 brush and the MAC Brun eyeshadow. I'll be right back. I am back now. I just finished doing my eyebrows, filled it in with the MAC eyeshadow, and also I topped it off with the Anastasia brow gel in the color Chocolate. Let's move on to eyeshadow. Before I put on my eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyelids, make sure it's nice and prepped, ready for the beating of the eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Let's prep you up, give you some love. This will basically help your eyeshadow go on smooth and not patchy. Make everything nice and buttery. Now, grabbing this EyeKandy candy stick in the color Liquorice, I'm going to just smoke out my eyes like no other. Just give it that heavy darkness right there. Fill your whole lids with it. Do that all the way up. And then also on the bottom as well. Looks kind of crazy right now, but it's okay. Just blend it out with the other end and give it a nice, smooth, transitioning blend. So that should be a good blend, and basically this is going to be the base color for your glitter. It's going to enhance your glitter and make it much more vibrant. Now that I got that done, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe Color Burst palette 35B and grabbing my Hakuhodo brushes. Back to this baby. Using my S142 brush, I'm going to go into this color right here, and mix it with this color down here, the darker one. And just smoke out the transitioning area and the crease right here. Grabbing my S121 brush and going into this white color, mixed in with this color right here. I'm gonna go underneath my eyebrow. Give it that nice highlight underneath there and also blend out the whole lid. Grabbing the EyeKandy Marshmellow pencil and then just highlight the inner corners of your eyes right here. Lighten it up a little bit. Use the other end to blend it out. Eyes are done. Let's move on to the fun part. I'm going to use the EyeKandy Liquid Sugar and add some glitter and shim to my eyes. This stuff, last time I tried this stuff, it was a hot mess. Everything was falling everywhere, and hopefully this time I'll just try to keep it together because I have a lot of this product and I do not want to waste it. So let's just go with the flow. EyeKandy glitter in the color Mad Melon. Let's bedazzle my eyes up. I'm going to use the Sigma shader brush in the number E56, and I'm going to dip it into the water, the sugar, EyeKandy sugar. Get a lot of product into that, and then dip into the glitter, lay it on, pack it on. There's my eyelid coated with lots and lots of glitter. Then I'm going to add some highlight into the inner corners of my eyes right here using the EyeKandy Bananarama glitter. Just a tad. I mean, when I say a tad, I mean a lot. Go into that inner corner right there. Get me some Lucky Charms. Then blend it upwards a little bit just to bring some color into that area. Also blend it out underneath right here just to give that gradient. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm using my Ford Eyeliner pen and I'm going to line the top of my eyes as well as the bottom. One eye is done, I'm going to move on to the other eye. I will be right back. Both eyes are done. I lined my eyes on top and on bottom with the Ford liner. And now I'm going to add some mascara using the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I have been obsessed with this mascara for the past couple days now. Brush off all the loose powder using my S100 Hakuhodo brush. There's a lot of glitter fallout because you can see I just went swimming in glitter. Just gotta brush that whole thing off. Make sure there's nothing there anymore. Clean it up. This liquid sugar thing, I think it really takes time to get used to. It's kind of everywhere, and for me, I prefer to use a glitter glue because it feels kind of clumpy and hard to open your eyes. Yeah, it's hard. When it's dry, it kind of like feels very bumpy and clumpy. So when you're opening your eyes, you can feel that heaviness that's on your lids. It does stay when it dries, so that's a good thing, but for me, I prefer to use a glitter glue or just buy the Stila Magnificent Glow, Glitter and Glow. That stuff is just amazing. I wish they came out with a bunch of colors. I bought the EyeKandy because they had a lot of colors, but it's a lot of mess and a lot of time wasted on trying to get the look to come together. So right now, I can barely open my eyes. This is like so clumpy. Yeah. Next up, I'm going to bronze my face using the HOOLA bronzer. I'm going to grab my Hakuhodo brush, number S103, and just put my face together, get it together, carve it down, and warm it up. Then I'm going to contour my nose using this pointed brush from Hakuhodo. There's no number, I'm sorry, but it looks like this. I'm sure you could find something like this if you're looking on their website. Onto blush using the Galifornia blush from Benefit, and I'm going to bring some color to my face. S110 Hakuhodo brush, place it on the apples of my cheeks. Right here. This blush smells really, really nice. Every time I feel like I'm stressing or I'm messing up on my makeup, I put this on and I feel so much better. It makes me feel better. So weird. It's my comfort. It's telling me it's okay. Your makeup's okay. You didn't go overboard, right? Okay. There's my blush. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Prismatic Highlighter Trio. This stuff I just got. I was so excited at the store, and this is my first time using it, so super excited. I'm going to use the green one, of course, because everything today is supposed to be green related. Get that lucky charm. Look at that. OMG. Go slow and not go too crazy. Right here. Just add it on the cheekbones, the upper cheekbone. So pretty. It's not even a highlighter, it's more like glitter. Look at that. Super blinding. This is life right now. Bring it up here a little bit on the eyebrow bone. So it's very, very pigmented. It's a lot. I just swiped it once and now I'm trying to just distribute it into certain areas, kind of spread it out a little bit. Very pretty. It has a nice green tint to it as well. Add some on my chin, just a little bit right there. Then on my cupid's bow, and just a tad on my nose. Not too much. Tip of my nose and the bridge. Highlighter is done. Let's move on to lipstick. I'm using the Smashbox Always On Matte Lipstick in the color Stepping Out. I'm going to add some shine using the Anastasia lip gloss in the color Gilded. Pack it on. Everything, pack it on. The bulk of my face is done. I'm going to prep and prime this face with the MAC Fix Plus. Make sure it's nice and dry quick. Feels so good. I feel like this process makes me feel so at ease because I'm like done. After this, I'm going to apply my eyelashes. The Dramatic Bouquet eyelashes right here. You guys want this? Email me at unmin@unmin.net. Get these lashes on. All right, my makeup is done. This should complete the whole look. This is my glittery, extra, extra, so extra look right here. Green glittery inspired look for today. And of course, I'm super extra. I added a lot of glitter. And I did tell you I love glitter, so this is not surprising. Makeup's supposed to be fun, and I just like to play with things and just add stuff and do new looks. Basically just have fun. I am happy with all the shine that's going on in my eyes right now, and I have a lot of other colors that I'm looking forward to work with. So if you guys are into glitter and you're into extra like I am, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. With all this gold that I got on my eyes and the green, hopefully this will give me my lucky charm for March.